Just in case you need my help. It's okay.
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
You start taking out.
There you have it. That's the completed product. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are gonna add some dry ice to the inside of the car. You notice all the rust and everything. I want to get it all cleaned up, but I want to make sure that there's none underneath here, which I'm sure there is, but it's best to get it now and get it out of the way and go ahead and get it converted with that Corrosio. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so I got 4 pounds of dry ice. Don't let it touch your skin, it'll burn. It's nice and cold. So I'm just gonna pour some in here, and I'm gonna take some to the other side and do the same. My lovely assistant is gonna take this bottle of alcohol here and just pour it all over the ice. Enough. Not enough. Look at that, that's awesome.
I want to touch it. But it's going to burn, so I'm not going to touch it. Whoa. This reminds me of the one machine.
So yeah, just let it sit. The alcohol is supposed to help it get colder. I don't know exactly how well it's going to work. I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit. You can hear it cracking. Can we use both of them?
Yeah.
Alright.
There's like a couple drops in this. Thank you.
Alright guys, we're gonna sit there and finish this up and get back to you once it's done, show you the final product. So stick with us, we'll be right back. There you have it guys, all done. Still got to do cleaning up a little bit, but you get the idea. So the main reason I did this, well, other than weight reduction, which doesn't really take that much weight off, the rust spots. As you see here, I was hoping it didn't go underneath, and it did not. I got a little bit right here. That looks just like the glue. Got rust spot in the corner there, and it was kind of hard to see because the lighting. And then I got a rust spot over here in the corner. It all looks to be somewhat surface rust. I mean, I don't know if you can see or not, but that kind of moves. I don't know. I don't think it's too bad. And then, you know, rust areas here and there and everywhere. So what I'm going to do in another video, go ahead and clean that up also. Use some wire wheels or wire brushes, my angle grinder, maybe even some sanding material, and try that corrosion again. Hopefully I get better results this time. I mean, it still didn't come out bad, but you can see little bits of brown here and there. That means that it was contaminated. I'll just have to do better in cleaning it. But as promised in the last video, the burnt Dorito. So there was a yard fire, and it melted the bumper. This actually seems to be okay. I don't know. Maybe if I sand it down and put some Bondo on it. Rear fender, rear quarter panel, front fender, inside. Melted the door a little bit, melted the dashboard a little bit. You can see down in there, it's melted. The same stuff I was just taking off, it's melted underneath the carpet. The carpet's actually melted to it. See, the gas cap was melted off, not the gas cap opener. The shift boot, carpet over here in the center console area. So yeah, I mean, it is burnt. I don't know if I'm going to restore it. I don't know if I'm going to cut it up and take it to the junkyard and sell the parts that are good. I just don't know what I'm going to do yet. But that's in the future. Main concern is this Docel and getting it done. But yeah, that's all long in the future. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Gonna try and do more. It's starting to get cooler outside, so it's not gonna be extremely hot for me. And I'm off of overtime, so I have 3 days off a week, which means more time to do stuff. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you around.